Desiree Torrio, and I'm here to take a video of my prelim project entitled The Woman Who Inspired Me, Her Strength, Her Story. I choose my mother because she's the one who inspired me in every situation. Can you tell me about yourself?
Me, I'm very kind and humble person.
What do you think is the greatest challenges of the woman face today?
For me, one of the greatest challenges women face today is gender inequality. Kahit na may progress na, marami pa ring instances na women are underestimated or not given equal opportunities, whether in work, education, or leadership.
Thank you. What achievements are you most proud of?
I'm proud of the time I pushed myself to achieve my goals despite challenges. Kahit small achievements, I value them because they remind me that I'm capable of growth and progress.
What keep you going through your struggles?
My faith, my family, and the people who believe in me, also my own determination. Lagi kong iniisip na challenges are temporary, pero the lesson I gain from them will stay with me forever.
Thank you. What advice you gave us as a student?
My advice is to believe in yourself and never underestimate what you can do. Huwag matakot sa failures kahit they are stepping stone to a success. Stay disciplined, stay kind, and always strive to learn more.
Thank you, Mother. And lastly, how can society better support women?
Society can support women by giving equal opportunities, respecting their choices, and creating safe spaces where women can grow. Importante rin ang edukasyon and awareness para mawala ang discrimination.
So, that's my question of my mother. Thank you for watching. Hello, here's my reflection to my video. As a student, my mothers are really inspiring and strong women. She values every achievement, whenever big or small, and that's something I can relate to. Her faith and family keep her going, which is powerful. I love her advice that challenges are temporary, but the lesson lasts forever. Her words to students are great. Believe in yourself and don't fear failure. She wants equal opportunity and safe space for women, which is important. It makes me see women as capable and deserving of every chance to succeed. So, women is powerful and important, so my mother is my inspiration to every situation.